Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to block someone on TikTok by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the TikTok application. Okay, and here's the look. When we first timer opening the TikTok application, sometimes we will be in a home section, but today we need to go into the profile, or you can just also go into the notifications such as inboxes to find out who interrupting you. Okay, for example, let's go into the profile, and this is my profile. I would like to go into the followers, so this is just for an example. So you just need to choose one of the username that you want to block. So for example, I would like to open this. Okay, I already clicked the profile, and here is appearing the profile. How to block this contact is just go by click this arrows button on the right sections here. Just need to click it and take a look on this bottom option here, and now you just need to simply click block. You now need to confirm by click this button. So you already blocked this user, so it will be the same for the rest of the other TikTok user that you want to block. If you want to unblock this, you just need to go into the profile bar and go click this unblock sections here. Okay, so that's for today's tutorial, guys, the way how to block someone on a TikTok. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.